Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan. If you are new here, I do lifestyle, beauty content, and hair content. This video right here is going to be about these clip-ins that I have in my hair. Yeah, I said clip-ins. I know you thought it was a blowout. It's not. So I'm wearing Yaki clip-ins from Amazon, and I want to tell you the exact store. The store is Mihu Gas, but don't worry, girl. I'm gonna put the link right in the bio. I'm gonna put the link right in the description just for you because I know somebody's gonna ask. So first off, I want to tell you the price: $43 for one bundle. I'm wearing two, and it's really giving full. The only piece of hair that I have left out is a sliver right here. Yeah, and they're doing me very well. I am a devout wig girly, but I was so sick and tired of the tan line that I was getting, so I was like, I'm gonna switch to clip-ins. And if you've seen my maybe a couple of videos before this one, you already know that I have the hack for you to keep your leave out straight in this heat. And also, these are Yaki. So they're gonna match with your 4C hair very well, even if it starts to poof up. I'm telling you, I've worn this hair. I wore this hair on my birthday. Loved it. I didn't get it as straight as I have it now. But either way, I loved it because I feel like when I wore it on my birthday, it was like a poofier texture, and now it's kind of like, okay, you got a perm and you pressed your hair. Absolutely love it. Love, love, love. So the pros to this hair is the price. $43, baby, you're not beating that. You're not beating that. This is an 18-inch. Absolutely love it. Absolutely. The hair texture, because you don't see that many Yaki textures that are good quality. And for this price, $43, baby, you can't ask for anything better. I know I couldn't, and I will be getting some more. So don't be trying to buy it all up from me. You only need 2 packs. And like I said, I did a sliver. So just imagine you basically got a whole new hairstyle for 80 bucks. For $80. Yeah. I won't be getting sew-ins or sew-ins or quick weaves. Well, I don't want to go too far. Let me not go too far, okay? But these are so good for like on the go. So with the pro that I would say, first pro is the price. Absolutely amazing price. Second pro is the texture. I just felt like I wanted to find something that was going to be close to my hair if I was straightening it. And this Yaki texture is perfect. Like, look at it. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. What do you think? I've had my hair done since 12 p.m. It is now 9:56, and I have not touched it up at all. 9:56 p.m. and I haven't touched it up at all. So I would say that was the next pro is the texture. Third, or I don't know what pro this is, but the next pro I would say is the longevity of how long I've had this hair. I ordered it June 28th. And it is now August 15th. My birthday was July 8th, and that was the first time I wore it. So far, I've had it for a little over a month. And I mean, for $43, baby. And just look at how it straightens so well. Like, oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's gonna be so perfect for these colder months because I won't have to put as much heat on my hair. So I would say that next pro would be the convenience. I love wigs, but they are high maintenance. And if you are not somebody who knows how to do your own hair and touch up your lace, then that's a disaster, honey. Don't get. That's what I tell people. Like, if you are a person who's going to go get their hair done and you don't have the funds to constantly get your hair done with the wig, why are you getting wigs? Because you have to touch up your lace or it's gonna look crazy. So this is the pro because it's so convenient. As far as like keeping up with it, you're just pressing out your leave out. You keep the clips wherever you already placed them, the hair placement, and then also the fact that you can take them out if you want to and clip them right back in. I absolutely love that. The only con that I have with these clip-ins is I feel like they could have made it thicker from root to tip. But that's just my opinion, because this does give really natural. So that is like a personal preference. But if you did want them to be like blunt ends, just snip them. And you're just gonna have to get a longer length that you actually want, and then snip it to the length that you actually want, if that makes sense. So that's all I would say as far as the con. No, I lied. I got one more con. I feel like they kind of shed often, but honestly, well, look, not, maybe I'm lying. Maybe it's the way that I take care of it. I think that really is the reason, because I don't take care of these. So literally, I will throw this up like this and go to sleep. So if you're gonna take care of your hair better, like throughout the day, and when you go to bed, you make sure you put a bonnet on, or better yet, take the clip-ins out because it's so convenient. They take about 10 minutes, and you can put them back in the morning. So take them out, and I'm telling you, you're gonna. It's just honestly, it's just I have been converted. Okay, I just want to say I have been converted. I mean, I'm gonna still do wigs and all that stuff, but this is just too convenient to not do it. So yeah, I really like this hair, and I can't wait to find more clip-ins. I just feel like it's so versatile. Like, if I wanted to do an up down, I would just switch the way that I have the clip-ins in, and I just feel like you could just do so much. Like with wigs, you're limited to the parting space, but with the clip-ins, it's just like it's just endless. It's honestly endless, and that's why I just really am just I'm in love with them and the texture. I just love it. And then it's like a natural black. And I didn't have to color these. And they just got so much body, baby. The body. Ugh, am I about ashy? Or, but it's just so much body. I just absolutely love it. But yeah, girl, I just want to come on here and tell y'all about these clip-ins because I'm just so thrilled with them. So if you do want to purchase the clip-ins, check the link that's in my description. I'll also link the flat irons that I use to straighten them, because I feel like that is very important, what kind of hot tools you use. Um, I also have the link for the hot comb that I use on my hair. But girl, any hot comb, just make sure it goes up to 450. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, girl. Make sure that you subscribe. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a snowflake in the comments. Love y'all.